Welcome back to Easy English, the channel for English learners who want to hear real, simple, natural conversations. In today's video, we listen to two friends, Tom and Sarah. They're at the beach on a beautiful sunny day. They talk about what they see, how they feel, and what they love about the beach. You can use this video to practice your listening, learn new beach words, and hear how friends talk in natural, everyday English. Okay, are you ready? Take a breath, relax, and imagine you are at the beach too. Let's join Tom and Sarah. Here we go.
Sarah, look at the water. It is so blue today.
I know, it is beautiful. The color is like a blue gem.
And it is very clear, too. I can see the sand at the bottom of the water.
Yes, I can see small fish in the water too. Look over there.
Oh, I see them. They are small and silver. They move very fast.
Fish are so interesting. They live in the water all day, every day.
I think that is a good life. Just swim and eat all day.
Yes, no work, no school, just swimming.
That sounds perfect to me.
Tom, look at the sky. It is so blue today.
Yes, and I see big white clouds too. They are very big and fluffy.
I love clouds. I like to look at them and think about shapes.
Shapes? What do you mean?
You know, that cloud looks like a crab.
Oh, I see it. Yes, that one looks like a big crab.
And look at that one. I think it looks like a fish.
A fish in the sky and fish in the water. Fish are everywhere today.
Yes, it is a fish day.
The sun is very warm today. I love it on my skin.
Me too, but I put sun cream on my arms. The sun is strong.
Good idea. I put some on too. I do not want red skin tomorrow.
Yes, red skin is not fun. It hurts a lot.
Last summer, I forgot sun cream at the beach. My skin was so red.
Oh no, that sounds very bad.
It was. I could not sleep that night. The pain was bad.
I always bring sun cream now. It is very important.
Yes, lesson learned.
Tom, feel the sand. It is so soft today.
Oh, yes. It is very soft and warm. I love it on my feet.
I took off my shoes when we got here. I love to walk with no shoes on the sand.
Me too. It feels so free. No shoes, warm sand, blue water. Perfect.
The sand here is very clean, too. No trash. I am happy about that.
Yes, clean beaches are important. We must take care of them.
I always take my trash with me when I leave the beach. Always.
That is very good, Sarah. I do the same. The beach is for everyone.
And for the fish and the birds, too. They live here. We're just visitors.
That is a very nice way to think about it. Look at those boats, Sarah. Do you see them?
Yes. Oh, they're so colorful. Red, yellow, blue. So beautiful.
I think they are fishing boats. The local people use them every day.
They go out very early in the morning, I think, when it is still dark.
Yes, I read about that. They go out at 4 or 5 in the morning.
That is very early. I cannot wake up that early.
Me too. I love to sleep in the morning.
But the fish are fresh and delicious, so the early morning is worth it.
Yes, fresh fish is so good. Maybe we can eat fish for lunch today.
Oh, great idea. I love grilled fish at the beach with rice and vegetables.
That sounds so good right now. My stomach is talking to me.
Your stomach is always talking to you, Tom.
It is true. I am always hungry.
Look at the big green hill behind the boats. It is so beautiful.
Yes, it is very green. There are so many trees on it.
I wonder if people live up there on the hill.
Maybe some people do.
Or maybe it's just trees and animals.
I see a small white house up there. Look, near the top.
Oh, yes, I see it too. Someone lives up there with that amazing view.
Every morning they can look down and see the blue water. How lucky.
I want to live there. Wake up, look at the sea, drink coffee. Perfect morning.
Yes, that is the dream life.
Maybe one day, Sarah. Maybe one day. And look at the palm trees near us. They are so tall.
I love palm trees. They make me feel like I am on a tropical island.
We are on a tropical island.
You are right. I forget sometimes. We are very lucky to live near the beach.
Yes, very lucky. Many people only see the beach on TV or in photos.
That makes me feel sad. Everyone should see the beach one time.
I agree. The beach makes people happy. It is hard to feel sad at the beach.
Yes, look at everyone here. They are all smiling, all happy.
That family over there, the children are running in the water. They look so happy.
Oh, so cute. The little girl has a pink hat. I love it.
And the boy is jumping in the waves. He is not afraid at all.
Children are so free. They just play and have fun, no worries.
Maybe we can learn from them. Just play and have fun.
You are right. Let's be like children today.
Sarah, the wind is so nice today. Do you feel it?
Yes, it is soft and cool, not too strong, just perfect.
On very hot days, the wind is the best. It cools you down fast.
I love the smell of the wind at the beach, too. It smells like the sea.
Yes, that fresh sea smell. I love it. It makes me feel alive.
Some people put that smell in a bottle. They sell it as perfume.
Really? Sea perfume? That is funny.
I think it is a good idea. I want to smell like the beach every day.
You are so funny, Sarah.
Oh, Tom, look down here. There are so many shells.
Wow, you are right. Big ones, small ones, pink ones, white ones.
I love shells. Each one is different. No two shells are the same.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I read that. Every shell has a different shape and color, like people.
That is very interesting. Shells are like people. I like that idea.
Here, look at this one. It is pink and white. So pretty.
Oh, that is beautiful. Can I hold it?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Wow, it is very smooth and light too. I love it.
You can keep it if you want.
Really? Thank you, Sara. I will put it on my desk at home.
Every time you see it, you can think about today and this beautiful beach.
That is a wonderful idea. A beach memory on my desk. Sara, look, a starfish, over here.
Where? Oh, I see it. Oh, it is so orange and beautiful.
I do not see starfish very often. We are so lucky today.
I know. They are not easy to find. We must be very lucky.
Do not touch it. We must leave it in the sand.
Yes, of course. We look, but we do not touch. The starfish lives here.
It is so pretty. I want to take a photo.
Yes, take a photo, but do not move it. Just take the photo here.
Good idea. Here, I take the photo now. Smile, little starfish.
You are talking to the starfish.
Maybe it can hear me. Who knows?
Maybe. Hello, little starfish. We love you.
Do you hear the waves, Sara?
Yes, I love that sound. It is so calm and peaceful.
When I hear the waves, all my stress goes away. All my problems feel small.
I know exactly what you mean. Work problems, money problems, life problems. At the beach, they all feel far away.
The sea does not care about our problems. It just moves in and out, in and out.
That is very true. The sea was here before us, and it will be here after us.
That is a big thought, but I like it.
The beach teaches us to relax, to slow down, to just be here.
I need that lesson. I am always very busy, always moving fast.
Me too. Work, phone, emails, meetings, always something to do.
But here, I do not look at my phone. I just sit and feel the warm sand.
Me too. My phone is in my bag. I do not want to look at it today.
Good idea. Today is a no-phone day.
A no phone, no work, no stress day.
Yes! Just sun, sand, sea, and good friends.
The best kind of day.
Look over there, Sarah. I see some small huts near the trees.
Oh, yes. I see them. They look very cute, like little beach houses.
Maybe they sell food and drinks there. I am very hungry now.
Of course you are hungry, Tom. You are always hungry.
The sea air makes me hungry. It is not my fault.
Okay. Let's go and look. I want a coconut.
Yes, a cold coconut. That is perfect for a hot day like today.
Fresh coconut water is the best drink. Cold, sweet, and natural.
And after the coconut, we can eat some food, maybe fish or rice.
Yes, or maybe some fruit too. Fresh mango or pineapple.
Oh, fresh mango on the beach. That sounds amazing.
Okay, let's go to the huts after we walk by the water.
Perfect plan. Walk, water, then food.
Tom, look at those birds up in the sky. The white ones.
Oh yes, I see them. They are seagulls, big and white.
They fly so well, so free and easy in the sky.
They are looking for fish in the water. That is their job.
Their job is to fly over the blue sea and eat fish? That sounds like the best job.
Yes, I want that job. No office, no computer, just fly and eat fish.
You and the seagulls can work together.
The seagull team. We find fish and eat them together.
You are so funny today, Tom.
The beach makes me funny and happy and hungry.
Always hungry.
Sarah, I want to say something.
Of course. What is it?
I am very happy today. This is one of the best days I had in a long time.
Really? That makes me happy to hear.
Work was very hard this week. I was very tired and a little sad.
Oh, I did not know that. I am sorry, Tom.
It is okay, but today, the beach, the sun, the shells, the starfish, the good talk with you, I feel so much better.
I am so glad. Good friends and a good beach, that is the best medicine.
You are a very good friend, Sarah. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you too, Tom. I had a wonderful time. I feel happy and relaxed.
We must do this more, not just one time a year, maybe every month.
I agree. A beach day every month. It's good for the heart and the mind.
And good for the stomach, too. Coconut and mango time.
Yes. Okay, let's go. To the huts.
To the huts and to more wonderful beach days together.
Yes, many more wonderful days. Let's go.